So I just want to get this thing recorded quickly. So right now there's so many people donating their processing power, like for folding at home. Right now my computer's currently processing work 14310. 14310 is something to do with cancer. Yeah, project 14310, it's something that. So right now there's so many people volunteering that they're actually running out of work units. Yesterday there was if you follow me on Twitter, like I'm actually getting down, like I was down for 6 hours trying to get a work unit. They're being overwhelmed with the support we're getting from new donors. Servers ran out of work units overnight. And then just like I think around midnight, 50,000 work units has been added. I'm constantly following Folding at Home on Twitter and on LTT. I am on Team LTT 223518. We even got a name. LTT, Folding Team's Emergency Response to COVID-19. So if you've been following my channel for a bit, you know that my graphics card is an X Mining RX 570. It's not a mining specific card, it's just that it was used for mining, crypto mining. I think it was Ethereum. In its past life, it was mining for cryptocurrency. Now it's fighting against COVID-19. So when it comes to things like this, I don't believe in things like overclocking, maximum performance, maximum score. This one, I'm seeing it as more of an endurance race. It's more about endurance and efficiency. So as you can see, I am actually underclocked. I'm running at 1200 megahertz when my Sapphire RX 570 is normally at 1285. I keep it at 1200 for maximum efficiency. I'm able to undervolt it. Like right now it's undervolted to around 950 millivolts. And that keeps the GPU temperature at 60 degrees Celsius. It never breaks 60 degrees Celsius, which is a very good thing. But then again, I also kept the fan at 1600 RPM steady, well, minimum. So this is Tension PC down here. There is my X Mining RX 570 crunching away to fight the coronavirus. And also you could notice I just left my side panel open so it could get in, like it could really suck in as much cold air as it could possibly want. I am going to be dealing with more dust because of this. I'll deal with the dust later. GPU backplate is cool thanks to this fan. Actually, it's one of the reasons where this fan really helps. It cools the backplate, gives it good airflow. This is what it sounds like inside. It's actually not bad. It's at 1700 RPM. This start to have a little bit of a higher pitch noise that is starting to get unpleasant. So I tuned it just a tad bit at 1600 RPM and it runs perfectly fine. It doesn't break 60, but then again, no side panel, but sure. And it's not like annoying to sleep. It's actually kind of soothing to listen to at night. This guy churning away. So if you're like me, you also got a desktop PC with adequate airflow, but then if you don't have adequate airflow, just leave the side panel open. Help us fight COVID-19 in the most PCMR way possible.